Have you been struggling with understanding your Cisco CDR and CMR? Well, today you're in for a special treat. We're going to be discussing a recent announcement of our Cisco CDR Guru. Cisco CDR Guru will enable you to uncover insights across your CDR and CMR from Cisco by simply exporting your CDR out of Call Manager, dragging and dropping it into the CDR Guru's user interface, and having it interpret the data for you. Go through a quick example. Again, here's the GPT. Go to the top of the conversation. There's a list of commands that will be presented to you depending on your CDR format that you'd like analyzed. In this example, it's Cisco CDR and requesting to analyze abandoned phone calls. Well, the CDR guru knows exactly what positions to look at in the CDR to interpret abandoned phone calls, giving you that clear explanation on how it's going to interpret the CDR. You can copy and paste or drag and drop a CDR record into the next chat. And then as it goes through its analysis on mounting the CSV, it'll start building your visualizations. Example, here's a CSV sample breaking down calls over the course of a week. You can quickly see that on November 13th, there were 140 abandoned phone calls, right? So that can be important to assess how well your customer service department is answering your abandoned phone calls. Now, how much easier is that than interpreting the 129 different fields across CDR and CMR with all those termination codes and reason codes and redirect codes to just simply ask and you shall receive? And this conversation can continue to go on now that it knows what you're looking for, you have Cisco CDR, has the sample. Maybe you need to break this down into an executive summary to present to your boss. All you do is ask it, create an executive summary. Oh man, it's a good idea to spell things right. So a lot of times I will have Grammarly going there because data in, data out, want to make sure it's clean data in. So create an executive summary of abandoned phone calls from our Cisco CDR to present to our customer service manager to identify ways we can improve our service level. And PROVER, service. Make it detailed and stylized. And that's it. Detailed, stylized. I'd also make it short and constructive. Focus on brevity and make sure the summary is constructive. All right, so now not only do I have the visualizations and the reports, but I have a nice structured summary that I can turn into the customer service manager that is going to be assessing how can I better staff my workforce around abandoned phone calls? How can I optimize the way that my call manager is routing calls to the different hunt groups? How could I maybe leverage other unified communication tools to optimize how calls are delivered to perhaps agents? So many different insights can be uncovered with the CDR Guru, and having this at your fingertips, gosh, make your job maybe a little easier and fun at the same time. So again, CDR Guru. And don't forget, our CDR Guru, our Power Query Guru, and all of our different knowledge bases to help you using natural language uncover insights, identify bottlenecks, and optimize your enterprise communications are built into our Expo product line. Just simply go and check out Microsoft App Source, the Expo XT Teams or Expo XT Cisco, deploy it in your environment, and not only do you have a best-in-class business intelligence application that you can utilize to help uncover and preserve those insights, but you also have a co-pilot at your fingertips that knows the Cisco CDR better than I do after working with it for over 20 years or 10 years. That was a little exaggeration. 10 years Cisco CDR. So again, thanks. This is the CDR Guru. Checking out. Don't forget, join our LinkedIn group. We are have some engaging conversations there on LinkedIn on different ways to improve our gurus. So if you find this helpful, please share it with your friends, other business colleagues, and we look forward to working with you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.